Hi guys, it's Miss Norris. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how you should tackle revisions for your Epicure research paper. So I've completely finished grading all of our submitted assignments, so when you open up your paper in Google Classroom, it's going to look like this. It'll have lots of yellow highlighting, which is an indication to the student that I have made a suggestion for revision. So for example, I wanted to show you how you can resolve comments and also give you a little rundown of my expectations for corrections. So let's look at this comment, for example. John F. Kennedy. So as we know, the first line of every paragraph needs to be indented, and so I said over here indent. So I would expect the student to come in, press the tab key, and indent it. Once they have done this, then you can click on this little comment that I made and click resolve. That is what I expect all of my students to do. If you are thinking about being sneaky, please don't click resolve and think that I won't be able to see my original comments. There is a feature that allows me to do that. So I hope this tutorial is useful for you. If you have any questions, of course, I will be in class to support you, but I wanted to provide this visual for you in case I was busy helping another student and you could quickly check it. So happy revising!